Hey guys, Jenny here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be making some Custaroons. If you don't know what a Custaroon is, that is basically macaroons and custard put together. So if you want to know how to make this, just stick around and I will show you how they're done. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing we'll do is to get a big bowl and add in our egg yolks and 2 large eggs. And then using your whisk, just give it a quick whisk to combine. And then dump in a large can of condensed milk. And then again, using your whisk, just give it a quick stir. And then gently pour in your melted butter. You can melt yours on the stovetop or in the microwave like what I did. And then again, using your whisk, just give that a quick stir to combine. And then we're gonna add our desiccated coconut. So please take note that I'm using desiccated coconut and not the freshly grated coconut. So you really don't want to swap those two because desiccated coconut is a lot finer and drier, which works well with the amount of liquid in this recipe. If you use freshly grated coconut, I can't guarantee the result since obviously it contains way more moisture compared to the desiccated coconut. If you're wondering where to find desiccated coconut, most major supermarkets have them along the baking aisle and they're pretty cheap too. So with all the talking, I also got to stir the mixture just to get everything to combine, and now we are ready to bake them. So we're going to bake these Custaroons in a water bath, and to do that we'll be needing a large roasting pan. And into your roasting pan, place your cupcake tin like what I did. So your roasting pan has to be bigger than your cupcake tin, and then line your cupcake tin with the paper liners. And then we're gonna fill these paper liners with our batter about 3/4 of the way full. I'm just using this measuring cup to do that. Make sure to give your batter a stir once in a while because naturally they separate. So don't freak out if you find that the coconut floats and all the liquid remains at the bottom. That's what's gonna happen in the individual paper case. But while you're distributing the batter, you want to make sure that each paper cup gets its fair share of liquid custard and coconut. So you don't want one cup to have all the coconut and then the other all the custard. To make this into a water bath, we'll be pouring hot water into the roasting pan about 1/2 inch up the sides. So you want to make sure that you have some freshly boiled water ready. Be careful not to get the water into the Custaroons because that will change the texture. And now we'll bake them in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 25 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. And our Custaroons are out of the oven. This is what they look like. They look golden and nice and they smell really nice. Give them about 15 minutes to cool down before actually eating them. Personally, I like them cold, so I let them in the fridge for a few hours before eating, but some of my friends like them hot. So whichever you prefer, just make sure to share them with your family and friends because you're gonna be making probably a dozen of this. And that's it guys! I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that notification bell below so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Thanks for watching! I'll see you on my next video. Bye!